Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to enable Open to Work on LinkedIn, a feature that's perfect for anyone actively looking for new opportunities, whether you're a Shopify store owner looking to expand your team or a beginner in your career. Adding this feature to your profile can help you get noticed by recruiters and connect with new job prospects. So it's very simple. Just click on your profile, then choose View Profile. Once you're on your profile page, look for the Open To button and then choose Finding a New Job. And from here, you need to fill in these details, such as job title, location, types of locations, start date, and employment types. These details are important because they help recruiters and potential employers understand exactly what kind of opportunities you're seeking. For example, if you're a store manager or looking for marketing roles for your Shopify store, make sure to list the right job title and location. Once you have all these things filled out, you can just click on All LinkedIn Members, or you can choose Recruiters Only. If you want to make your profile more visible to a larger audience and maximize your chances of finding the right opportunity, make sure you select All LinkedIn Members. This ensures that your profile will be visible to everyone on LinkedIn, not just recruiters. However, if you're concerned about privacy or only want to be seen by hiring managers, Recruiters Only might be the better option for you. So once you select it, click Save. Now you need to click on Update. After updating your status, LinkedIn will start showing your Open to Work badge. You can also set up your settings to get notified about job opportunities that match your preferences, which is a great way to stay proactive about your job search. And now, when I refresh my account, as you can see, I have this badge, Open to Work. This badge is visible to anyone who visits your profile, signaling that you're open to new job opportunities. This is a great way to make your intentions clear and catch the eye of recruiters. So, this is how you can enable Open to Work on LinkedIn. By adding this simple feature to your profile, you can take a more active approach in finding your next role or expanding your network, especially if you're looking for talent to help grow your Shopify store. Before you go, be sure to check out the other tutorials on the channel for more LinkedIn tips, job search strategies, and Shopify insights that can help you grow your career or business. If you found this video useful, give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out on more helpful content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.